Hello, I'm constitutional attorney Katherine Henry, and this is the episode preview for Season 1, Episode 5 of Restore Freedom Weekly. This was live streamed to you on YouTube, Facebook, and Rumble, and shared with you afterwards on social media and your favorite podcasting platforms. In this episode, we discussed, is it really individual liberties or collective rights? We discussed what is guaranteed to us in the U.S. Constitution. Again, individual liberties or just collective rights of we the people as a whole. We gave you great freedom fighting tools, a way to get involved challenge, biblical insight, and much more. So make sure to check out this Season 1, Episode 5 of our quest to restore freedom weekly. Make sure to like, follow, subscribe, and share Restore Freedom.